To another video. In this video we'll show you how to move SmartV to a page of your choice. So rather than now setting up pages where you make some public but some SmartV enabled, you can actually move the SmartV itself directly to that page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up some stuff here and I'll show you how it all works. So this one, we will call this one page 1, and then what I'll do is I'll get a button. And all this button is going to do is going to take me to the next page, which I'm going to add now. So pages, we're going to add a new page, save and continue. And then we will just simply go ahead and get a text here. We'll call this one page 2, like that. So let's just go ahead and name this page 2. Now what you can do, so let's say you want your customer to go to a specific page and log in rather than just log in from anywhere. You can actually redirect them in a very smart manner. So let's say this button, and we'll go click log in. And what this is going to do essentially is it's going to take me to the next page. But on the next page, what we'll do is we'll set up the SmartV. So this one will say redirect next page, go internal, page number 2, done, done, done. Then on page 2, what you can do is this. You can go to the plus, go all the way to widgets, and you've got your SmartV sign in form, which you can just drag over here like this. Alright, and even around it you can build some great stuff. If you want to make your own customized login page, by all means do that. So here it is, you can drag it over here, and now we just need to configure it. So we'll go back over here to user access, enable SmartV, select our object contact. In my case it's contact, but you can choose whichever one you'd like. Next, next, get my secret key, next, 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 and generate. And now it's generated and ready to go. And this is just on page 2. So it's really, really cool that you can set up that specific functionality there. And from here on, you can do a bunch of stuff. So for example, if I click on the style icon, you can obviously style, whoops, let's go back. You can style this if you wish. You can also, if I click on this here, you can style the verification code window as well. If you click on the style icon here, and you can go back and forth and completely modify each aspect of that UI. And once it's done, just let me take you to the main page. We'll click save. And obviously, this page here, what you want to do is you want to obviously make it public, right? You don't want this to inherit from the project. And then if you click save, click preview. Now when I go on to the next page, notice that there is no page 2 because it technically still is inheriting from the project. So what you want to do is this. When you go to page 2, you also want to make that page public. And then once we click save and go to the page 1, like this, save again, go preview, go to login, we can now see it's there, and I can also start to work with my SmartV like that. And now it's going to send me the 2-factor authentication code, and now that I can access that page. So that's how you do it. That's how you can move SmartV from a page to another page. It's really up to you. And then from here on, you can just redirect them to a different page if you wish upon login. So rather than having each page inherit from the portal, you can make it public and then add your own SmartV on top of it, and then also modify the surroundings to fit your own branding needs.